Started.
So first I'm going to explain the code for detection of person and phone. So let me just open the code. So here edit with ideally. Now here as you can see we have used the TensorFlow library and CV2 library. Here, the architecture of the model is simple. We have used convolutional neural network with a convolutional 2D layer, and for the activation function, we have used leaky ReLU, and we have used the zero padding and batch normalization. Then moving forward, the approach here is simple. We are using this darknet convolutional network, and these functions basically take the input video and interpret each frame of the video as an image. And based on that, if a phone is present, it outputs the probability of it being as a phone, and similarly, it detects the probability that the object is a person. So let me just run the demo for that. Yeah, so as you can see, the probability of person is near to 1. Now, if I bring my phone into the frame, as you can see, it is detecting a cell phone with a probability near to 1. So that's all for person detection. Now, if I close it, uh, then here the next thing that I have implemented is eye tracker. So yeah, it's tracking my eye movements as you can see. Then so here you can see the output too that it is showing. Then moving on, yeah, as you can see, when I look up, it's showing looking up. And moving on, the third module that I have implemented here is head pose estimation. So it is basically calculating the degree by which I am turning my head left or right. So, and as you can see, it is telling head is left or right, which pops up on the screen. Now, Sai Ishwar will explain his part of the implementation.
Yeah, my
That
part
is,
of the implementation includes speaking detection and also face detection. Now, the face detection it is very similar to eye detection also. It includes the delete library. The facial key points are again used for the task, and the text taker is required to sit straight. As we are in the test, we have to sit straight for that to conclude the eye detection, facial detection. Uh, Now the distance between the lips key points should be 5 out pairs and 3 in pairs is noted for 100 frames and average. If Now we are be opening the mouth detector,
Yeah,
speaking
so
detector,
yeah, here's the demo for the speaking
speaking
detector.
detection.
So yeah, we need to press R to record mouth distance.
Okay, if you open his mouth, his or mouth, the distance between the points increases. So if the distance is increases, there is a certain value for three out pairs. So it will calculate the distance in between those space. So then the two inner space will be large. Then the infringement is reported. The report will be background. It will be reported, sir. That you can show it background. That yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yeah, so that's all.
yes, sir.
So I hope everything is done. Sai, sure is something left we
Nothing. Only
covered.
for the facial detection is completed.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
actually, yeah, facial
Facial
detection.
detection. Yeah.
Yeah, so actually, the facial detection is a supporting module for mouth
For
opening
mouth opening.
detection.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, so our video and demo is complete for now. So
Okay.
you can stop recording.
Okay. Okay.